All right, who gave this tiny electric tricycle the right to feel like a futuristic mini RV? Because the moment I took the TriCycle Camper Micro 2026 on the road, I realized this thing isn't a toy. It's a portable lifestyle. But is it actually worth your money or just another social media gimmick? Today, you're getting the hard truth. So this little electric machine caught my eye because it promises freedom without the price tag of a car or the stress of a full-size RV. It's ultra-compact, ultra-light, and yes, it's an actual camper you can tow with a tricycle. Sounds wild, right? Let's get into what it really offers. First impression, the design is surprisingly sturdy. The 2026 model has a sharper body line, improved waterproofing, and a stronger hinge system on the rear hatch. It looks tiny, but when you open it, the space is shockingly well planned. Inside, you get a fold-flat sleeping area for one adult comfortably. Two, if you really like each other. Storage pockets on the sides, a compact roof height that doesn't feel claustrophobic, and enough room to keep your essentials dry and organized. It's simple but clever. This is minimalist camping done right. Now let's talk performance. The TriCycle Camper Micro connects to most electric trikes, and the 2026 version has optimized weight balance. That means better stability, smoother towing, and less drag. On flat surfaces, it barely affects the trike's speed. Uphill? Yeah. You'll definitely feel it, but it's not a deal breaker. Just don't expect to outrun anyone. If you're dragging a camper behind a tricycle, speed was never your priority. What you will appreciate is the build quality. The insulation is improved this year, the ventilation ports actually work, and the upgraded latch system finally fixed the annoying rattle from the older models. This isn't premium luxury, this is practicality done smart. Is it comfortable? Honestly, yes, for what it is. If your idea of adventure is simplicity, low cost, and the freedom to stop anywhere, the TriCycle Camper Micro nails it. If you want hotel comfort, look elsewhere. So here's the verdict. The TriCycle Camper Micro 2026 isn't perfect. It's not fast, it's not flashy, and it won't replace a real RV. But what it is accessible, affordable, and surprisingly fun. It turns everyday travel into a tiny adventure. And if that's what you're chasing, this thing delivers. If you like this honest review, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world tests, and tell me in the comments, would you try a trike camper or is it too crazy for you?